Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating a collaboration called Pink Winter Christmas Decoration Challenge hosted by my beautiful friend Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating and co-hosted by Miss Shoal from My Style, My Colors. Another co-host, our beautiful Miss Tammy from Glam Queen of DIY. All their channel links will be listed on my description box. Please go and check them. With that said, let's go and start our project. So what we need are just this pine cone and knife. Any knife or any sharp things that you could find to make a hole. Okay, so I've started drilling. I don't have a drill, guys, or I have, but I'm scared to use it. So I use a sharp edge knife instead. So I'm just trying to make a hole so that I can stick this barbecue stick as a stand, as you can see. See? So we have to do all this pine cone, make a hole like this. Is kind of challenging, guys, and if you do this, please very careful, be very careful. Okay, because and you have to have a steady hand, because once you slip it, you can cut yourself. Okay, so because the reason why I'm showing you this, because there's someone who messaged me, and last time they asked me about my project last time with the pine cone on gold, on how I did that stick. So I am showing it to you bit by bit on how I did that. As you can see, I mean, if you have a drill, I think it's easier, but it can be done. I'm just trying to show you guys on how to craft even without a complete tools. You just have to improvise. That's the key for all the crafters and DIYers. You don't have to have all the tools to make your crafts perfect. You know, you just have to find ways to do it. That's the key to be a good crafter or DIYer. As you can see now, again, it's a bit challenging, but can be done, guys. I will not show you all on how I did all the cone, because it will take us ages. So you can just see it is a bit challenging, to be honest with you guys. It would take you quite some time to make a hole and get that where to stick that barbecue stick, as you can see. But again, like what I said, it can be done, okay? Because it took me quite some time to do all these things. But anyway, I just show you this, and now let's put the stick on it. So I use glue gun again, guys, and just stick this like this. You see? Make sure to dry the glue first before you put it away, because then it will not stick in. Okay? It's simple. It's just need a little bit patient to do all this project. Okay? And now I have to spray paint it in white because I couldn't find a pink spray. So I just used white, guys. And what I did is I just poured some glitters, pink glitters. But actually, I found some pink paint, right? But it's not spray, so I just rubbed some pink one because I didn't have enough glitters. And this is the outcome, guys. And now I arrange it into my beautiful vase, and this is the look. I am very, very pleased with the outcome, though it's a bit challenging to put them all in a stick, but it's very rewarding. What do you think? See, I just love this. It is really, I am pleased with the outcome, guys. You see? If you see it in real, it's really, really beautiful. And this is the outcome or looks after I put the light. I couldn't find a pink light. I just had a green one, but it's because it's for Christmas. So, yeah, that is the outcome of our pine cone decoration. And that's my pink candle light with the candle holder. And I made another DIY, but I didn't show you the process, guys, because I didn't have enough time to eat it, to be honest with you. But this is my pink decoration, or pink winter decoration, as you can see. And I hope you like it, guys. It was quite challenging, but it's very rewarding after I finish doing all my project. Anyway, I hope you really like it, and please, if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell so that it will notify you every time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you very much. I see you again next time. Bye bye.